So here it is, five prospecting mistakes. Like there's two in particular that I'm positive you guys could have guessed, right? The other three, I bet, might help you fine tune so that you actually start making more sales. 5 prospecting mistakes that are costing you sales right now. Costing you sales right now. And so we're going to jump into that. Number 1, and this probably is number 1, not asking enough people. You're just not making enough offers. And so I can tell with one question, if you are on a path of making a lot of sales and making a lot of money, and that is, how many people last week did you ask if they were open to your product, service, or opportunity? If that's a single digit number, or God forbid, the number 0, then you're making what you should be making, which is probably not much. And so not talking to enough people is number 1. Number 2, not following up. Now, there's 2 different words that can describe follow-up. Relentless, but I actually prefer persistent, because relentless sounds like you're just following up. Persistent to me is more educated and intelligent. And so you want to be persistent. You want to be persistent with follow-up. Okay. And I remember there was a guy told me no 7 different times, but I kept following up with him. And this was probably 2011. I remember this particular guy because he's actually here local. He told me no 7 times. He had been involved in something with me before and it didn't work out great. And so he's like, no, not interested. No, not interested. And so 7 times he told me no. I kept following up. Eventually he says yes, creates a 6-figure income, quits his job, and he has been a full-time marketer since 2011. There are so many stories that you'll never be able to tell if you're not following up enough. So be persistent in your follow-up. Number 3, this is a very common one. Judging who to prospect versus just see who's open. You know, should I prospect Chris? Oh, you know, he's super busy. Like he's really focused on what he's doing. Like, yeah, I probably shouldn't. You know, he's got a lot going on. It's probably not the best time, right? Stop it. Stop making their decision for them and just see if they're open. See, we're not trying to close everyone because that'll never happen. But what we should be doing is just seeing who's open. Hey, are you open and taking a look at what it is that I'm doing? Are you open and taking a look at this amazing service, at this amazing product? Are you open and taking a look at how we're making extra money on social media? Are you open and taking a look at this incredible men's program I'm a part of, right? We are here to just see who's open. We're not here to close everyone because that can't, no matter how good you are. Let's just see who's open. So instead of judging them, they're finishing college. I probably shouldn't. Maybe they're looking right now. You don't know. See if they're open. That's number 3. Number 4, very, very common. You're making the prospect the prize. You're chasing, begging, bugging, desperate, eager, commission breath, right? You're making them the prize. I want to help you out with something. There are more people out there with problems with no solutions than people with solutions. You're a person with solutions. You got something that you sell that you believe in that could help them with their health, help them with their money, help them with their save on travel, whatever, right? You have a product, service, or opportunity that is helpful. That could be a solution for someone. They have problems that they don't know how to figure out. Why are you making them the prize? That doesn't mean to diminish them. It doesn't mean to talk down to them. It doesn't mean that they're lowly. But when you're overly eager to do everything for them versus say, hey, I got something that could help your problems. You got to understand there's less of you, more of them. More people have problems, no solutions than people that actually offer solutions. So you and what you represent are the prize. Just remember that. Not talking to enough people, not following up, judging who to prospect, just see if they're open. Number 4, making the prospect the prize. Number 5, this is a deep psychology one. In my opinion, other than making sure you're following up, I would say this is the most important distinction on if you're making sales or not. The mistake that most people make is they focus more on their solution than the problem of the prospect. So they focus more on what they're selling and the benefits and the features and the fact that it's hydrogen water and the fact that it's a invite-only vacation club and the fact that it's incredible legal services and the fact that it's this. You focus more on your theme that you're selling more than the problem of the prospect. And the truth is that is precisely what comes across as pushy. When you're spending all your time on the thing you're selling versus dig into their psychology and what problem are they trying to solve, what desire are they trying to attain, and helping them from where they are. And when you do that, when you expand the problem, when you elevate the desire, they'll take almost any solution. So if you want to know how to close more sales, focus more on what is the prospect trying to solve. Are they trying to solve a desire? They want to travel the world? Or are they trying to solve a problem? They're trying to come up with enough money to put grandma in the nursing home. I remember I had a conversation with a guy and he said, hey, yeah, I want to make more money. I'm like, okay, why do you want to make more money? See, make more money is not enough of the problem. You have to get deeper. The way that you find out their problem, you ask them questions. What made you watch the presentation? Why did you show up to the event? What made you look at what it is that I'm doing? You find that out and you dig as deep as you possibly can. And so again, I'm talking to this guy and I said, hey man, what made you watch the presentation? And he said, well, it'd be great to make some extra money. I'm like, okay, well, is there a reason why? Like, is there a particular, purpose for the money? Is there something you're trying to save up for or something? And it took a few questions, but eventually he said, well, my mom is living with me and my wife, and we're recently married, and it's not going well, and she really needs to be in a nursing home. Okay. This is his words, not mine. I'm not giving him advice. I'm trying to help him solve his problem. And so I said, okay, is that something that's optional or is that something you really need to do? I could almost hear his wife through him. He's like, oh, I need to do it. Right. So in one question, I took him from, it'd be nice to make some more money to, I got to do something about this. That's called expanding the problem. Then I asked another question. Well, if you don't do this, how will you come up with the money? See, that's an unfair question too. It's unfair because if you knew that answer, we wouldn't be talking. He's looking for solutions. But the issue was he hadn't fully expanded the problem himself. So I helped him do that. And that's the difference between persuasion and manipulation. Manipulation is getting him to do what I want him to do. Persuasion is getting him to do what he already wants to do. He wants to make more money. He wants to please his wife. He wants to help out their situation by putting mom in a nursing home. I focused on his problem and dug deep into it. And of course, he bought the solution. That's how it goes. When you focus on their problem and expanding the problem, they move forward. I appreciate you so very much. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.